Welcome back everyone to another episode of the journey through Apostolic succession. Catechism of the Catholic Church, paragraph 882 says, "The Pope, Bishop of Rome and Peter's successor, is the perpetual and visual source and foundation of the unity of both the bishops and of the whole company of the faithful. For the Roman Pontiff, by reason of his office as Vicar of Christ and as pastor of the entire Church, has full, supreme and universal power over the whole Church, a power which he can always exercise unhindered." Today we hear about our 177th Pope, that is Pope Honorius III, who served as the head of the papacy in the years 1216 AD through 1227 AD, who is often considered one of the great administrators in papal history. During his 11 years in the office, Honorius III tackled church reform and brought peace to various conflicts. A brief history. Pope Honorius III was born in the city of Rome as Cencio Savelli and grew up as a Roman aristocrat and received appointment as treasurer of the Holy See in the reigns of Popes Clement III and Celestine III, starting in 1188 AD. Pope Innocent III later appointed Savelli to the post of cardinal-priest. Savelli succeeded Innocent III as pontiff. Papacy started on July 18, 1216 AD, and he chose the name of Pope Honorius III. His papacy ended on March 18, 1227 AD. His successor was Pope Gregory IX. His papacy and contributions. Upon his election to the papacy, he put the plans from the pontificate of Pope Innocent into motion. Some of the great aims as Pope was the recovery of the Holy Land, spiritual reform of the Church, and a crusade to retake the Holy Land. Pope Honorius, in an attempt to engage the aid of the Emperor Frederick II for the crusade, approved the election of his son Henry as King of the Romans. Frederick would not, however, fulfill his vow to engage in the crusade, and the Pope abandoned the idea and his crusade by the Lateral Council of 1215. And then he set out to make peace in Europe. His activities in behalf of peace brought him in touch with France, Bohemia, Denmark, Sweden, Hungary, Greece, and Spain. Honorius worked hard to promote peace among Christian princes. He preached a crusade against the Moors in 1218. Like Innocent III, Honorius favored the great new orders of friars. He approved the Dominicans in 1216 and the Franciscans in 1223. In January 1226, he approved the Carmelites. Pope Honorius III died on March 18, 1227 AD. The Church buried him in the Papal Basilica of Saint Maria Maggiore in Rome. Thank you to each and every one of you for listening and supporting this web series on Apostolic succession. Please like, share, subscribe, and spread the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for the Church, God bless you all.